say that because I can't be here today, but yeah. Here's my cats. I'll turn the camera for you. Isn't she cute? Okay. So what I'm gonna do when I'm eating, so I'm going to the mall. My mom. Okay, you guys. If your name is CJ and Tana, and you're in 5th grade, please, I have the hollow energy. Please comment down below.